Hello, lovely folks. We are going to come back to trying to use this mod pack. It is an industrial engineering or immersive engineering mod pack based on the YouTuber Sbeev and his playthrough of 100 days in the Industrial Revolution. Now, I've used some of the mods. Not all of them are working. The one that I used for temperature, I haven't quite gotten to work. I'm using a custom world in Biomes of Plenty to show this off. I wanted to make the pretty mountains a little extra big. So, first, I just threw it. You got these rocks, and you can pick them up. And you're gonna need a lot of gravel, because you can't punch trees like in a normal game. You actually have to make a knife. And so for that, you're gonna need to nick, as they call it, a bunch of flint onto a piece of stone. So I'm gonna wait till I get about 6 pieces of flint, and from there we will find a piece of stone to do this on. Got a stone block? Okay, good. I got 8. There's not a 100% chance you get 2 each time. Sometimes you don't get anything. So you're going to want to get these rocks. If you can get 12 of them, it skips a lot of work, but it's honestly optional. 4 stones equal a single piece of cobblestone. So basically, now that you have your flint, you got to punch some leaves, okay? And the leaves, they will drop sticks. And so how this works, I can't see anything, is you get your sticks and you open your crafting table and you can make a knife. Now with this knife, you gotta break all the grass and get those green plant reeds, okay? And those plant reeds, you're gonna turn into a string. Hold on, I'll get enough. So you turn it into plant string. Then you create a hatchet like this, and then you can mine the bottom of the trees, and they fall over. But you can't stand underneath it or you'll die. Also, the wood spawns right here, so do the saplings and any eggs that happen to be in the tree. So I'm gonna do that to another tree right here, this maple blossom, or red maple. If I can get the mod that adds the temperature to work, I will add it in, but right now it shouldn't matter for this beginning guide because it should be daytime in your first day. So, now that you have your strings and your rocks and your wood, you then place your wood down and you take your hatchet and you actually right click on the logs and you split them. Hold on, there we go. Uses a little bit of durability and doesn't quite give you 4, but that's fine. They can't be floating when you want to do this, apparently. Now you get your crafting table, and this is where the whole thing begins. So here are all your flint tools. Flint pickaxe looks like that, flint shovel looks like that, flint hoe, pretty good. Fire starters can be useful. However, if you have rocks, you can make cobblestone and get your cobblestone tools. You can also make fishing rods, which is a kind of useful thing to do this early on in the game. So, I'm gonna go around, find some rocks, and hopefully I can get enough for a stone pickaxe. You can always get a flint pickaxe and do it that way, but I find that it takes a lot more effort to do it that way. These tomato seeds are from a mod that I don't know how to use yet. I will be updating you depending on how this goes. Let's see if I can find some rocks. Boop. Boop. Kind of hard to see with the shaders. Got 5 here. I need 3 more. There's 1, 2. I can't see. Here's 1. Did I just put 1 back? Okay, so now you have your cobblestone. You put this down. Bam. Stone pickaxe. Now, in my practice run-throughs, I've had tornadoes hit me almost every single first time. So, one of the things you're going to want to do is find some place to dig, and you're going to want to create some sort of shelter. And I know it sounds crazy that you're going to want to do that so early, but that's just, I mean, I've died every time. It's so tragic. I don't know if I'm getting cold. I feel like I'm supposed to have a meter showing up, but it's not working for some reason. Okay. So I'm gonna chop down this fir tree. Is that me breathing? Okay. So now, what you're gonna want to do is dig into. Oh, I didn't make a shovel. You can't mine just dirt with your hands for some strange reason. And you always want to take down one of these big trees because it shows up at the top of the screen how many you're gonna get, how many logs and how many sticks. And so you're gonna want a lot. So let's chop that one down. I think the winds are starting to pick up. And let's go find some exposed stone. I'm also gonna want to start farming and such. Whoa, look at those. Ooh, that's lava. So, stone will turn into rocks. And so you gotta craft those back in. So it's getting kind of windy out. Hold on, I'm gonna blockade myself in here. Oh. I gotta put out some of this spare fire and we'll see what happens. Okay. I got the hatchet. I gotta make some more planks. And this can take a while. The only thing I have to eat is this. It's weird that there can only be one block placed. You can't have multiple. It's so annoying. So I think this is a good place to let off day 1. I plan on having some friends join this. Maybe you'll get to see them. But we'll end off. You guys can look. The Aurora Borealis. Very pretty, isn't it? I'll see you next time. Bye.